everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have the paper pumpkin kit for the month of May coming up here, and it is beautiful. And I haven't really opened it up, I just went and took the plastic off. But I'm so excited about this kit this month because in the kit we have a special stamp this month. We have one of the distinctive stamps, and I'm going to be stamping that out for you today just to show you what it looks like. But I'm not going to be putting the cards together, but we'll do the cards next Thursday on Card Design Thursday. And then we have the gray granite ink that came with it this month. And then here is the little thing that comes in. It says from April 11th to May the 10th, you can get this paper pumpkin kit. And it says, get ready for the next month's very special paper pumpkin kit inspired by Shelley Gardner. Our May's kit cards are so stunning you'll be tempted to keep them all. And it is with a distinctive stamp. And this makes the stamps look three-dimensional, where they're, it's just a stamp. But it says, Paper Pumpkin is thrilled to introduce distinctive image in this month's stamp set. Use your flower and leaf stamp to achieve crisp, clear, photorealistic images with just one stamp. And so head over to Stampin' Up. My person is Miss Deb Houck from Deb's Crafty Cottage. If you'll go over to her channel and click on her links underneath in her description box, you can get to the Stampin' Up site and order through her if you don't have a representative. But I love getting these kits. They're really nice and it's very affordable. So inside the kit, of course, you're going to get your instructions with all your materials. And this is what it looks like. Now, they gave us this granite gray, but they're showing this pink and stuff colors with them. And so I got to go find me some pink ink. I don't have any at the moment, but so this is what it looks like. I think I might have some of another. Now, I told you, I've been keeping all these chipboard pieces here. I'm going to wind up making an album from all the chipboard pieces that come in my kits. So in the kit, you're going to get the different little pieces. This right here, you're going to get all the little pop-out pieces. This looks like tickets and little banners. And this is a clear box, and I'm excited about this. I'm not sure what it's for yet, but it's a clear box. It's all plastic. So we're going to find out about that. Like I said, we'll be doing all these Thursday. And then you have all your little card bases. These make the little bit smaller cards. Must have this upside down. And then here's all your little banners. Here's an image right here. Oh, maybe they're giving you the images for the cards. Look how dimensional that looks. And then here, these are some labels, and they're corrugated. It's really hard to see on here, but they are corrugated. And then here are some more card bases. And here's the other images. Aren't these beautiful? I love this like watercolor background look. Here should be some more images here, but and then here are envelopes. They're all color coordinated according to the stamp and everything. Oh, here's some more papers, like with the watercolor marks on them. Like this. I'm pretty sure we should have more of these. So this is a punch out, so we may not. May just have one. I don't know. Whoops, sorry. Here are some. Oh, here they are. Here's some more of these right here. And some more. These are corrugated, like banners almost, I think, or pieces. And then we have these right here. This is self-adhesive. This is a belly band for the box, I'm thinking. And this one card right here must be for the box as well. And then, of course, you get your dimensionals, your glue dots, your the little dots here, enamel dots, and then some twine. So all that comes with it, and it's just, if you're a beginner card paper designer or just a beginning paper person, this works really well for you. Now the box must be, here it is right here, the little crystal box, and that's what that's for. That flower is for that. And then you have images for your card, but you also have other images from the stamp. And I'm just so excited about that stamped image. So I thought what I would do is stamp it out for you and let you see it. And like I said, we will work with these next week. So let's stamp this out and see what it looks like. We're going to do the flower. We're going to do Distinctive Gray. And then I went and picked up some of our Grapefruit Grove. I wanted to see what it would look like with that. Put that on our block, and it's really extra sticky, and I love this stamp this time. So let's do the Granite Gray. Now I know you probably shouldn't do this like this, but I have the hardest time getting this paper open off my stamp, so I just do it like that. And sometimes it works and sometimes it does not, but my hands have been really being a problem lately. Okay. Whoops. There we go. I'm just going to tear that off. Okay, so we're going to ink this up with a Distinctive Gray first. You kind of have to look at it. So I'm just making sure I get enough ink all over it. I would like to get these colors in the bigger ink pads because I have a hard time inking stuff up. Sometimes, especially bigger objects like this with the smaller ones. But these are great when you're traveling. So let's see if I got this inked up really well. Oh, that's so pretty. Sorry for the glare. Isn't that pretty? So let's get a wipe and wipe it off and do it with the grapefruit. I want to see what it looks like in color. Now, I would probably use this in one of my Stamp Perfect, or, you know, my stamp press, because I think it would be easier to keep re-inking it, and you can add layers of colors on it, which is what I want to try to do for Thursday. And I love this Grapefruit Grove color. I think it is so pretty. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. And remember, I'm just stamping on the table. I don't have anything to press down. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this one. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wow, I got a shadow here. But I love it. I love this distinctive stamp. This is so cool. Now, also, with the kit, you get some images and you get the leaves. So we're going to do the leaves right quick. And then I'll stamp out the sentiments for you to see. And they clean really well, by the way. By the by, they clean pretty well. Ugh. And I'm going to put that right back in there so we don't lose anything. Let's try the leaf. And we'll just do that with the gray, the granite gray. I usually stamp my stamps a few times anyway before I put them on a project, if they're brand new, just so that they'll come out. Oh, that's nice. You can see a lot of detail in that as well. Okay. These are really pretty. These kits are really nice if you're new to crafting because they can help you, you know, learn how to build cards. And I'm just going to put several on here one time. We have thank you. We have for you. We have Happy Mother's Day. So this would be a really pretty card for Mother's Day. We have Happy Birthday. And I'm excited about that only because I lose my birthday stamps all the time. I don't know why. I can't keep up with them, but I can't. And then we have this little dots. So I'm just going to stamp all these up right quick and let's print them out. Let's use some grapefruit. And then I'll do the other three. Oopsie. So this is what the font looks like. It says for you, thank you, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Birthday, and then the little group of dots right here are really cute. Let's see. I want to try something. I don't know if I'll make this work or not, but we'll see. I'm just going over the little group of dots so that you can see them. And I'm going to try to line it up. That's not bad. Look at that. That's what they look like. Isn't that cool? Does it meet your approval, Jaden?
Yep.
Okay. So that's those. I guess I could have done these before we started, but I wanted to show you the kit intact before we did that. Happy Mother's Day. And then Happy Birthday. And then our little dots. I like those little dots. Those are really cool. Okay. And then we have Best Wishes. And Thinking of You. And I think Congratulations. And I'll show you the font of these. Shh. And doggies have to weigh in their opinion. Okay, and that's these. So they really are pretty. But I love this stamp set. And I actually think you can see like the shading and stuff in the gray. But the grapefruit one, it came out really pretty too. So these are the distinctive stamps, and if you've ever looked for them in Stampin' Up! And wondered how they would work and know how they would look, here's how they do. I think they're just beautiful. So remember, you can get your the Stampin' Up! Kit from April the 11th through May the 10th. And if you're interested, head over to Deb Hauk's channel. And I will link that below in the description box for you. And just tell her I sent you over. And look at the new Stampin' Up! The new Stampin' Up! Catalog, the annual catalog, will be coming out in, I think she said May. But this is a beautiful kit. So head over and get you one if they still have some left. Like again, this is the kit. Right here. The stamp set that came with the kit. It's a beautiful kit. So I'm excited to play with the cards, and you'll be seeing that coming up next week. And I hope you'll join me for that. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the bell. Alright, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.